Hello and welcome to E Prime. I am Daytran. Dancehall singer Da Vinci is set to release his highly anticipated EP titled Passion. The project is produced by critically acclaimed producer Ainsley Not Nice Morris. Da Vinci said the energy of the EP will reflect the raw passion and truth he is known for in his music. Da Vinci secured a major hit with the single Virgin, which has been viewed more than 12 million times on streaming platform YouTube. The new project is a follow-up to his December 2020 compilation I Am the World Singer. The EP will be released December 17. Grammy Award-winning singer Koffee and reggae legend Barrington Levy have been featured on the soundtrack for the action-adventure all-black western film The Harder They Fall. Levy's hit track Here I Come from his 1985 album of the same name was remixed to be featured in the film. In a tweet, Koffee teased a 30-second clip of her original title track The Harder They Fall, produced by James Samuel. The full soundtrack will also feature Jay-Z, Jada Kiss and Lauryn Hill among others and will be released on Friday. The Harder They Fall stars Jonathan Majors, Idris Elba, Regina King and others. The title of the film appears to be taken from the 1956 The Harder They Fall, which was an adaptation of the 1947 novel of the same name. Now, on the international scene, Hollywood actor Alec Baldwin will be further questioned in relation to a deadly shooting incident on the set of his latest film, Rust, in New Mexico. Santa Fe County Sheriff Aidan Mendoza said Baldwin was handed a gun with a live round in it. The actor accidentally shot his cinematographer and wounded the film's director. Authorities have recovered 600 pieces of evidence related to the investigation, including 3 firearms and 500 rounds of ammunition. Investigators on Wednesday said there was some complacency in how weapons were handled on the movie set, but it was too soon to determine whether charges will be filed. I'm Daytran reporting for E Prime.